Hi dear students, welcome back once again. Today we are going to take class 9 CBSE Mathematics. The new textbook is Ganitha Manjari, the new syllabus in 2026-27. In this textbook, there are two chapters which is included. That is, one is Introduction to Probability and other is the progressions. Here we are looking chapter 7 Introduction to Probability book by solutions one by one. So in this question, a teacher mixes a large bag of seeds of different colors randomly, selects a sample of 30 seeds. She counts the number of seeds of each color, that is 10 red seeds, 8 green seeds, 7 yellow seeds and 5 blue seeds. Then the questions are: calculate the probability that a randomly picked seed from the sample is green. If there are 600 seeds in the total large bag, estimate how many are likely to be yellow based on the sample results. Here there is a big bag, big box. It contains seeds. The teacher taking some seeds in a bowl from here to here. That is total 10 red, then 8 green, then 7 yellow and 5 blue. So the total number of seeds which teacher picked is total number of seeds. That's equal to 10 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5. That's equal to 30. So total number of samples or total number of seeds in the small box, that is the teacher picked the sample size is 30 seeds. We need to find the probability of green seed. So here total 8 green seeds in the sample space. So the probability is equal to number of green seeds divided by total number of seeds. Here number of green seeds is 8 and the total number of seeds is 30. That is 8 by 30. Or we can write this is equal to 4 by 15. So this is the answer of the first question. The required probability of getting a green seed from the sample space is 4 by 15. Now in the second part, if there are 600 seeds in total in a large bag, so the total number of seeds is 600. Estimate how many are likely to be yellow based on the sample result. So here also based on the sample result, first we need to find the probability of getting yellow from the sample space. In the sample space there are total 30 seeds and in the sample space there are 7 yellow seeds. That's given in the question. So we need to probability of yellow is equal to total number of yellow seats divided by total number of seats. That's equal to 7 by 30. So this is the sample. This is the probability of getting the yellow seats from the sample space. Now we need to find if the total number of seats in the box is 600, then find the probability of yellow seats. So the estimated yellow seats is equal to probability of yellow into new size, new sample size. That is 7 by 30 into 600. That's equal to 7 into 20. That's equal to 140. So if there are 600 seats in the box, then there should be 140 yellow seats in the box. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next solution.
Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12.